stare out at the sea. Will you meet your eyes with me? Let me. Spent a lot of time looking out of hotel windows, seeing the trees concave when that Colorado wind blows. I know the metro system inside out. Paris never changes. I know my way about. If only I said no when you asked me to dance. As I pulled away, you would stay hours in a trance. I happen to know that what I felt, you felt too. That makes no difference to me. I know this love is due, but you did. I didn't think I'd find you here. Roaming in the corners of my mind, pulling nail fire. A note I wrote the other day. Don't read it, just leave it. It might give me away. I never liked you much. You're always so complacent. And though I laugh along, I find you test my patience. Sure, I have less fun when you are not around. And when I come to think of it, my feet don't touch the ground. But you did. I didn't think I'd find you. Roaming in the corners of my mind, nail fire. I know that I wrote the other day. Don't read it, just leave it. It might give me away. Why was it you my heart cried for? Everything I didn't need. Just to pick up and start touching me.
Competing for my heart, but you dear. How you think I find you here? Goddamn! Goddamn! How you doing, guys? Peoples. So I'm really sorry for not like being able to stream on the desired time, the pre-established time, yeah, something like that. Because I'm my man. There were so many Caminati. How is Caminati in English again, man? The things that like go lightning. There were so many lightnings. I was legit kind of scared that something would happen and I would like like my computer was just going to explode and I was going to lose it. And you know, being unemployed and all, I can't really afford anything going wrong with my computer, you know. That's just like the, you know, the baseline idea for this whole thing. But anyway, I've also been thinking, oh yeah, forgot to turn on the lights. So Alexa, luz fria. Alô? Hey, Harry, there we go. We back. What was I going to say again? Oh yeah, I was going to say that yeah, I've been thinking that I probably lack the skills of just, you know, I lack the skills of just chatting. I wish I was better with it. Like I wish not only I wish I was better at it, I wish like Hmm. What do I wish? Like I wish. Do you know? Do you know like stand-up comedies, comics? Yeah, stand-up comics. I I feel like I should. I feel like I should join an improv class. You know, just to get the hang of it. You know, I feel like I need to get the hang of it, of getting on the hang of just, you know, turning on the camera and start spilling nonsense, sensible nonsense, non-stop, you know, yapathon and whatnot, and just being able to yap on command. Yeah, that's something that I've heard that who does it? That guy that do the stuff that I like to see about anime, Garnt. Yeah, Garnt has said that that same exact sentence once before. Do I know when, in which? Oh, that was kind of strange. And in which kind of context? No, I don't. No, I don't. But still, you know, still. Anyway, I think I should just post, I don't know, at least Blue Sky, like, hey, I'm live on Twitch today. Hey, live on Twitch, come join and see me working on SFX, on adding SFX to my Joe Adventure game that needs to be finished. Yeah, something like that. So HTTPS twitch.tv/vhoyer. Huh? Huh? Is this the correct URL? I can now I can never tell like how do you really write Twitch. I never, what do you call it? I never trust myself. I never trust myself by writing Twitch. I never know if I really am writing the correct, I don't know, the correct stuff to it, you know. But anyway, any freaking way. That's it, I guess. That's it, I guess. So we kind of need to do stuff, you know. What stuff do we need to do? We need to work on this goddamn thing, you know. Work on this goddamn thing. What is happening here? Let me just think a little bit for a second here. Oh well, I guess it makes sense. Oh no, wait, no it doesn't. Damn, look at this. It's interesting. Yeah, this is kind of interesting. Well, I guess you can get a good, I don't know, audience in any kind of time slot, right? Especially when you're talking English. So I don't know, I was thinking about like how should I change like the time I do for it, you know. But actually, you know, I should just stream whenever, well, mostly whenever I have the time to be consistent at it, you know. I think, maybe, probably, who knows. Bottom line is we do desperately need to finish this motherfucking game, you know. We absolutely need to finish this thing. Do we got the chat overlay? What? Auto HUD, yeah, it is here. Okay, I think this is fine. Yeah, I think this is fine. So let's, you know, we are on the Joy Adventure page, but now we are not. Now we are on the Joy Adventure Trello board, okay? That I got going on with Pemi. Because, you know, Pemi is just the best. But don't let him know that I just said that. You know, it will probably go to his head, and we don't want that. But you know, that's what I'm freaking working. I need to finish this thing. I need to motherfucking finish this. So what is even missing here? The only thing that it's missing, that we are missing here, is a conveyor belt sound. Okay, and how do we do it? I'm thinking, which probably it's not a good idea, but I'm going to try to do it anyway because I don't know, fuck the police or something like that. What is it that I think it's such a bad idea, but I'm still going to do it anyway? That's this thing here. Okay, what is it? Now map layer, foreground, file map layer. Look at this. That's the foreground tile map layer. Yeah, it is. Listen, we got those tile sets here, those tile sets in here. Okay, do you see it? I hope you do. Why is that? This is because we need to add the sound for the conveyor belt, and I'm thinking like what I think is a good idea that we should do is to add one what is the name of it again? One 2D audio stream emitter or something like that for each tile on the tiles. For each tile that is a conveyor belt, you know, because I guess that's something that we're going to do. I feel like this is kind of a bad idea because, like, what if we just had tons and tons of conveyor belts in a scene? That may be bad for the performance, you know? And that's the only reason I feel kind of, you know, well, should I do it? Should I not? I don't know. But we're going to try it anyway because, you know, we're going to try it. We are going to try it. And the first thing we're going to do is not delete, but like turn off this grid system because it is positively trusting me insane. Trusting me is kind of a wrong thing to say, I guess. It's driving it's driving me insane. I can't deal with it. But anyway, I need to open like a, well, I think we can open the level test probably. Yeah, let's use the test level to just test stuff. Who knew, you know? Who knew that the test level would be a good level to test some stuff out? Oh no, I wouldn't. Did you? I didn't. Anyway, so yeah, this is probably fine. So I need to find our foreground, and instead of just like begin writing the code, I think we should just add an audio, not a listener. Although probably we don't need the listener, we just need the other thing here. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so let's just, you know, have it hanging in here. Okay, this seems, oh my god, this seems like any good time as any. What? Any good time as any. This doesn't feel like a good way of saying this, but anyway, let's just get our Japanese songs going because we absolutely love our Japanese songs. And yeah, so the first thing we're going to do here is again add an audio string player to here because we need, well, actually, well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a stream here. Well, that's a terrible idea. I need to add something in here, and I think I'm going to add randomizer. Sure, let's add the randomizer. I think we can deal with this. So with this, we can just plug this in here. Probably fine. Hope it is. And we'll just duplicate this a little bit and like test how does. Huh. Well, I think it's fine. How does. Oh man. So it's also really good that the conveyor belts all have this little knob here. It makes it real easy to just like get the center of the block, which is, well, not the block actually, the tile, right? Which is something that we will definitely going to be doing for the final code. And in spawning, and the idea is to spawn one of each of those for each conveyor belt style. And I guess we have then all in the correct places. It's not even that much. Look at this. It's not even that much. It's fine. It should be fine, probably, I hope. So the max polyphony is 1. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. The fact that this is just 1. I hope this doesn't cause any problem. Like what I'm thinking here is that like if we have too many of those, the other audios we got going on the project will be cancelled. We will not be executed, and we would not be able to listen to them because like I don't know, the audio server would be like just too busy just playing conveyor belt sounds, and that would be terrible. That said, let's let's pause the song for a bit. Let's hear. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to add the autoplay. Probably that's something that we need to have. I think that well, I think this is already looping. Yeah, it is. Okay, so it's fine. Let's try it. Okay, so this will be absolutely loud. Actually, yeah, here it will be so loud. Let's just bear with me. Well, it was not that loud. It was loud, but it was not that loud. But anyway, this is terrible. We don't really want to be like this. Like, how much is? Can I have? Yeah, here it is. Look at this. This is 2,000. Oh man, this is 1,000. Actually, I think that 100 pixels is good enough. I feel like 100 pixels is more than good enough. So we will change everyone in here to like max distance of 100 pixels, and let's just test to see if the sound has a different level, no? Yeah, this should. Yeah, 100 is too little, but probably we should be able to get away with 200, maybe. Oh man, that's the wrong button. That's the I just yeah. Oh, you know what? You know what? You know what? Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! I'm going to deselect, but anyway, this will be probably fine. Okay, so now we select every audio node again. There we go. Look at this. So, that was the wrong button again. Okay. Okay. I feel like, well, yeah, that's very bad. Like I need to. Ooh, that's like I feel like the linear is just too like very bad. The volume is attenuated over distance with these as an exponent. Yeah, that's the idea. I think the linear audio is just so bad. It's just so bad sounding. Let's just test with like a more, I don't know, exponential one, kind of. What is this? What? Okay, so we are listening in like 500 pixels. This is very kind of loud actually. So let's minus this a bit. Probably minus 20. Well, minus 20 was too little. Ah, you know what? Let me just. That was fun. That was a fun ride. Well, where is Joe? I want to open the scene of Joe. Well, do left drain. Oh, god damn it. What's your problem? Come here. Let's cancel the do left drain. That's right. That's what we want to have it. Okay, so let's go back to the testing and select them all and have the game again. So, I feel like this is good. I feel like this is good. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, totally. I can see that. Yeah, I think we found our sweet spot. So this is the full configuration that we want to have. What even is this? We need to get the tile set, yeah. Conveyor belt processes. Also, well, I think we can always think of a better way to have this. This is it's a tool. It is a tool. So let's add like a if statement here to if to only execute the game this part of the code if this is not an editor hint, because we only want to execute this part of the code if we are running the game. Okay. Yeah. So what do we want? Well, yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine. I was thinking like, oh man, I need to like listen for changes in the tile set, but like right now we're not doing any changes in with the tile set, you know. So I guess we could how do you say it? We could assume, yeah, we could assume that the tile set will not change once the scene starts. So let's just like make a function here called setup audio tile audio sounds tile SFX. That feels like a good name for it. Okay, it feels like a good name. So let's create this function here, and I think this is a good enough configuration for every audio 2D. We could just call it audio. Yeah, let's just call it audio. Audio string player 2D. There we go. I think this is a good enough, like the those configurations here. I think those are good enough configurations for any kind of audio. Will. Hey Scuffy, how you doing? You're the first one here. Welcome to the stream. We're working on Joy Adventure. How was your like recent? How are you? How are you doing? We are working. Well, I think you know, but we are working on the SFX here. For the Joe Adventure game. And what is this? Oh, here it is. I've already good. I've already implemented all of the SFX we had planned for the game. Besides the conveyor belt sound, and the conveyor belt sound is like it's a bit different, I guess, because I want to have the sound be like automatically played through the tile map, you know. So we are selecting like we are dynamically placing audio stream sources based on the tiles that we are having, you know. So prior to this, I just like copy and pasted a bunch of those because I needed to see the interaction between all of the like the distances and the multiplications of the different. I mean, they're not different, but like the multiplication effect that all of the different audio sources have on the amplitude of the same sound because it is the same sound playing. Uh, so yeah, that's kind of the idea. So I think we already figured out what's the configuration we're trying to go, and now we are just going to like programmatically define the configuration for the audio here back on the code because we still need to place the audio per tile, so that's what we're working on right now. So yeah, first thing, hey, thank you for punishing me. We have changed an item on the wheel because I want to build the wheel. I didn't, and this is totally not, this is totally not the case that I just didn't know what to insert on the wheel. No, it's because I want the community to build my wheel of torture for sure. So I have 8 items on the wheel that doesn't have anything on it. Well, the only thing that the item have on the wheel is the change an item on the wheel. So I will probably need you to choose something to add to our wheel. The things, I mean, we have 8. I think we have 6 open slots for punishment. So I don't know. Do your worst.
Touch grass.
Don't do your worst. Don't do your worst. Touch grass. Touch grass. That's what you. That's what we want to. You want to. Sorry. That's what you want me to change the item to. Touch grass. Is that your final decision? I can do it. I will do it.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the sixth item will be touch grass. What does this even mean? do you want me to finish the stream and go touch grass? Is that what you mean? That sounds a bit, that sounds a bit not too nice. I will tell you. Oh yeah, actually, I just remembered something that I wanted to do, which was like combining all of those texts into. Look at this, combining all of those texts into a different command for the chat. Like, look at this. I want to. Do I have a text join? We do. Yeah, I think that's fine. So we need a list also. So let's add an array here. It's an array of strings. We have 10 items to add to it. So let's just add it in here real quick.
What software is this?
This is AutoHUD for Twitch, I guess. I call it. When I say it like that, it seems like something that that's like well known for the world. But this is a software that I've done. I did these in about like a month, and it has like cool configurations for like what do you call it, like visual programming. You can visual program your whole stream stuff. Okay, so this is how we've been doing the TTS, and we also have like commands for skipping and stuff, and I guess that's just it. Isn't it impressing? I hope it is impressing. I hope you want to use it actually also. How much would you pay for it? Like, I'm not saying I'm not like, going to like
Wow.
give it to you. I may also want to give it to you, but I
Very impressive.
thank you for being impressed by my software. Okay, so let's just try to join this. Does this work? I guess this does not work, actually. Let's join them by like a comma or a semicolon or this, a pipe. Yeah, let's use a pipe. So yeah, with this in place, I think we can like have another Twitch message here and add a pattern to it for like wheel. Sure. Um, and what do we want to have in here? Probably just a regular chat message. Oh, this is the wrong one. Goddamn. Yeah. I want the other tweet
I would
message.
pay
Send
$0,
message.
but you should charge people $20.
What's your problem? Why would you pay $0 for it? Like I was thinking on charging like 10. I was thinking on charging like $10, mostly because I don't know. I don't really know. But anyway, we should test this.
I'm unemployed.
Oh, so we are too. Nice. I also, yeah, apparently I preferred doing this myself than paying for anything similar to it. This is kind of strange. Your chat ball is black. What color is my?
ASDF.
Well, it is still orange. I guess. Your. I don't understand why your ball isn't red. But anyway, who cares? I guess. Let's try the new command we just did. Wheel. Oh, that's not how you write. Wheel. Huh?
0 change an item on the
Okay,
wheel
that's
1.
terrible. Okay.
50/50ths play a horror or a short demo 2.
Skip.
Each them for
Okay, thank you. It's awesome. It mother freaking worked like a charm. First try, actually. Well, was it first try? First time? Let's try. I want to like prefix it with something, so I guess I'll just like reconnect everything here. Yeah. Look at this. God damn. So here we are going to add our prefix for like ignoring stuff. What is it? It's underline. Well, underline is already, well, this is fine. So it will start with an underline and then just go for the rest of the list. I guess this is fine. Let's have this down here just because, I don't know, OTC, I guess. So if we go like will, there we go. Then now we have like a list of all our requests, not our requests, but the items on our wheel, right? So you can like look at it and think like, oh, what do I want to change? You know, that's the idea. So yeah, $20 seems very reasonable. Thank you for your like I don't know the responding for the audio, not the audio, the responding my
How does one
research,
be
my
productive?
survey. How does one be productive? I'm not really sure. Probably streaming is not the key. Streaming usually makes me less productive. But also on the days that I'm not really that I do not really want to work on something, like the streaming, it's something that's, you know, it's interesting. It's like a something that you have appointed to do with some other people, you know. So like it kind of have this effect that like, oh, I need to do it, you know, that like, yeah, that effect of like making you do stuff. So it's a good opportunity to just like make me work on the day, even on the days that I don't really want to work. So that's good. But also on the days that I do want to work on my project here, streaming does not really help me be productive, but it does help me work, which is something to be said also, you know. It is also something to be said. It's also valuable, you know, the way I see it at least. So yeah, volume dB will be equal to, I don't know, it's linear, right? dB to linear, I think. Base volume in decibels. Well, if it is in decibels, I don't think I need to convert it. Maybe just setting it to -15 is enough. How does one be productive? I think that the Pomodoro tactic is something that helps me a lot. Yeah, you know, the whole 15 minutes do something and then like 5 minutes of rest and then 15 minutes do more of that something. Yeah, I feel like that should help, but I feel like also that that's probably something.
Okay.
Yeah, that's probably something that you need to discover yourself, like what even works for you, you know. I don't know, I don't really know. So the max distance for the audio will be 500 pixels. The audio attenuation will be set to 0.38586. Well, what happens if I just, you know, yeah, far is probably fine. And I think that's all we really change it. Yeah. Okay, we also need to assign the audio for it. Yeah, well, I see you on the other sides of the ads. See you in a bit. Should I shut up for a second? Probably. Should probably shut up for a second. Let's shut up by like singing. Aha. So while we're not testing the audio, let's just have the song playing. Because you know, gotta love the Japanese songs. You know? Yeah. So okay, we have our tile set here. And I think that something that I kind of want to do is to how do I even do this? So the tile set, can we like, yeah, the custom data, yeah. We need to add a sound to it. SFX, let's just add SFX to here. So what? Okay, this is not really good. Damn. Like the problem here is that I don't really see there is no hey, welcome back from the ads. There's no audio stream here. We can add like an audio stream. I guess the best we can do is add like the UID or the path for the song. Probably the path, because the
I
UID is
didn't
kind of.
get an ad.
Oh, good for you. Good for you. Yeah. Yeah, that's the real problem here, you know. I don't really like the idea of using the path for the audio, because like imagine if I change the audio. You know what? I think I know what to do. Think about it. Like, let's, instead of like having SFX, let's have an SFX ID, okay? And the type of it would be string. Probably it's good enough a string, yeah. And we can add an export here for SFX dictionary or SFX DB. Yeah, let's go for an SFX DB. The type of it, it's a dictionary of string and also audio string. I guess that works fine, probably. That I mean, this will surely work like a charm. That said, I think we also need to paint stuff. So right now, select something. Drag along SFX ID. We need to select. How do I select it? What's your problem? Oh yeah, I'm dumb. Conveyor. Yeah, sure. This is fine. So let's paint. Yeah, all of those with conveyor. Okay, and what does this? What's your problem? What's happening? Why doesn't? Why is it not showing here? Oh yeah, probably because of this. Yeah. What? Oh, that was something, I guess. Anyway, so let's add our conveyor, and quick load the conveyor sound. There we have it. That's awesome. Look at this. That's absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. It's kind of funny. Tile map, I guess. Well, I think this is fine, okay? I think this is fine. Ooh, I'm just thinking here. This is... this feels kind of bad, you know? Setup, tile... SFX ID? Sure. Let's pass an SFX ID. Yeah, fine. And then to set the string, we want to have the sfxdb.get get the SFX ID. And then the default will be like a new audio stream and play nothing. Oh, that's a terrible idea. Actually, let's do it like this. Let's do it like string will be equal to this, okay? So we'll first get the string from the DB, and if there is no string to be had, then we're just going to return from it and not execute anything more. Okay. Else we're just going to set the string here. We also need to get the self and add the child, the new audio to the player into the thing here. But I guess instead of having the SFX ID here, I think it's better if we have the tile data, or just the tile, or the tile ID, or the tile cards. Huh. Probably the tile cards. Yeah. Yeah, cards it is. Cards it is. Let's go. Tile chord, which is a vector 2i, I guess. And to get it, let's build up by going in the opposite direction. The SFX ID we will get from get cell data, right? Sure. Get cell data. Well. And then we get the custom data. Oh, okay. So we first need this. Oh my god. This from the data. Okay. Yeah, cell is a good one. Yeah, cell instead of tile card, just cell card. Cell, really? Oh, I guess it's fine. It's fine. So now, instead of a drag along, we need SFX. I guess that's SFX ID. Was that the name? SFX ID. Yes, it is. It was. Yeah. Was the name. So to make the cell, it's not even the cell, it's like the cell data. To get the cell data, we need to get the data from where? Self.get cell tile data, right? Yeah. Sure. Okay. Self.get cell cards. Okay, we already got to where we wanted, but also if not cell data, come on. Here, cell data. Let's just return again. With the cell data, we are going to get the SFX, but if there is no SFX, well, I guess we can only use these. We can just use the this if to control, because if, like, imagine there is no custom data for the currently the name of it, returns the custom data value for the custom data layer named layer name to check if a custom layer. Oh man, does it error out if the layer does not exist? I guess it's fine. Well, let's find out. Sure. Let's have a function here that's like scan all tiles. Scan probably is not the correct word for it. Like, let's just go for like set up all tiles, all cells, huh? Cells, all cells. So apparently we need a new method. Okay, so setup all cells, it returns void. How do we get all of the cells? Can I get like the self dot like get cell parts or body? What get or what? Returns the coordinate of the tile for a given physics body RID. Such an RID can be retrieved from kinematics. Oh, it's the collision then. Okay, that's not what we're interested in. What else can we get? Get cards. Get alternative, atlas, source ID, tile data, patterns surrounding cells, use it cells. By ID? Source ID, well. Use it cells. What is this? Vector. Returns a vector to I array with the positions of all cells containing a tile. A cell is considered empty if the source identifier equals -1. Its atlas coordinator identifier is vector -1, and its alternative identifier is -1. Okay, that's good. That's good. Get used cells. That's exactly what we want to have. So let's just go for a cell card in of the all of this, and let's just execute the function cell card. It should do it. Do we know the type of this? Yeah, we do. Okay, that's good. This is good. I actually think this is done. let's test. Ooh, we can test it. We can't test it. I need first to delete this all. Okay. So let's pause the song again for a bit. Well, that was not what we wanted to do. I also didn't need to do it because of reasons, but okay. Can't hear anything. It's not working. God damn! It's not working. No. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. What's the problem here? What? Debug context? Conveyor speed player foregone the B. Oh, it's empty. I guess it should be empty, right? I guess it should. Huh. That's not so good. Let's add a new scene here, which will be based on a tile map layer. Tile. Oh, what's your problem? Tile layer. Tile map layer. Yep, that's the thing that we want to have. So let's just name it like tile set. Tile set. Sure. That's the scene. Okay, that's fine. That's good. Look at this. It's good. It's good. Okay. And now here we can have like the conveyor. I think that's how you write it. And then the conveyor. And then I could copy it. Anyway, it's not fine yet. I actually need to populate everyone with the correct thingy here. Ooh, I have the hunch that I will lose all of my maps if I do this. Oh. You know what? I have an idea. An idea. If I delete this, actually. Yeah, I can save this as a branch. And I think this will be good enough. Probably. I hope. This is probably not even necessary. But at the same time, tile set. So entities and tile set, and then here we go. Can't override since it's already open. God damn, okay. Don't save. Let's try again. Let's try again. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so if I do this, tile set, set position, reset rotation, reset scale. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So the question is, and let's discover this while playing the game. Did all of the levels disappeared because of this change? Yes, they did. Look at this. Oh, actually, yeah. No, it's still fine. Probably, right? Conveyor. And in here we go for conveyor. Huh. That's probably fine. Okay, let's try again. Surely we didn't lose anything. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is all I wanted to see. Yeah. Woohoo! The jump sound, repeatedly jump sound, it's kind of not that good. You know, it's kind of obnoxious. But anyway, let's try it. The sound of the conveyor. Can't hear anything. It's not working. Goddamn. Why? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. No problem. Where is the level 2? I guess this is the level 2. Oh, it didn't save? Well, I didn't populate it, I guess. Conveyor. And add a conveyor in here and add the pair. Okay. Okay, so in here, if I come in here, now it's populated. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Well, I didn't need to do this. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, we can already hear it. We can already hear it. Look at this. Oh yeah, I totally forgot to do it. Yeah, god damn. I totally forgot to reposition all of the nodes, the audio nodes. No. Okay. So the cell data. I got the cell card. Well, I think we can just do the position. Get the self dot get cell title data. Can we get the position? Position. I guess we can't. Good. How? Local to map. Map to local. I guess it's the map to local, right? Let's just get the card. Map to local returns the centered position of a cell in the tile map. Local's coordinate space. Yeah, I think that's what we are looking for. Let's test it again. So choose a map, level 2. Can't hear in here, it's fine. We can hear in here, it's awesome. Ooh, that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Ah. Aha, that's awesome. That's awesome. You know what's awesome? Also awesome? You, viewer, dear viewer, you are awesome. Okay, I think we can commit this. What is this? Development is Joe Adventure. Joe Adventure. Okay. Okay, what's happening here? I think I can just... Ooh, I guess I need to configure this also. No cursing for also like a set amount of time, probably. Let's see. This one should be good enough. So let's add Twitch channel point here. What's it? It's the no cursing. Let's add a timer here. What's the timer? Timer. Word. 10 minutes. How much should we not curse for? How long should we not curse for? No cursing. 10 minutes should be fine, right? 10 minutes should be fine. If you have a complaint, please file the complaint to our help desk. And because we didn't set up the timer before, let's just manually create a timer here. So no cursing. Set a timer. Aha. Okay. Where were we? We were here. Okay, I need to... And what do I do if I do curse? I feel like there should be... Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We can think about it. Like, it's not like I'm going to just curse, you know? It's not going to happen. I trust myself. I trust myself. Ah. Okay, this is working fine. I also need to update the Joe because I turned off the drain stuff, right? You know what? I think I want to do something here. Oh, I don't want to close this. I want to go to the Joe class. Getting here. Getting ready here. Yeah, it can be the ready function. Let's set the do. What is it? Do life drain. Do life drain will be equal to do life drain or yeah, or true, I guess. Oh no. Or engine dot is the bug? No, it's process. No, it's not process. Editor release is no, it's not editor. It's probably engine. It's inside of the engine class, right? Do we have a is editor hint? Is physicus is queued for deletion? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Help me, Google. You're my only help. I don't know why I opened the first page, the Google homepage. What's wrong with me? Godot is release version is release version. Godot release policies. Test if release build. How to attack if the game is running debug mode. Oh, it's OS. Okay, I knew it. Sure. It's not engine, it's OS. It's a class that I always forget it exists. Do you get a release? No, we only get the debug build. It's fine. So if it's not the debug build, then it's true. Right? Yeah, I think that's correct. Pretty sure that's correct. Okay, so let's add it all. What do we got in here? So Joe, conveyor tile set. Joe tile set? It is modified. It's fine. Tile set GD is modified. Tile set scene is created. Level base, level test. Yeah, I think it's all fine. So, sparkles. If applied, this commit will add SFX for conveyor. Yeah, that's fine. I feel like that's fine. Okay, let's push it. And also, I think I need to do one more thing here. I think that the prototype is a nice thing that like it just exists. I feel like it's nice that the prototype exists, you know. But we kind of need to also add the pause layer, because otherwise we can't really go out of the we can't really go out of the okay. I'm positively sure I did hit the Control C button, but now it's just not working. Okay. You know what? Screw you. I almost did it. Screw you. Okay, let's copy this manually. So let's just see who's the boss. And paste it. Ah, now we're talking. Yeah, let's hide this. This should be fine. So let's test it. Ideally, if we go for the prototype now, we can hit P and go back to the main menu. Yeah, that's fine. That's good. That's good. That's what we like to see. Also, we also like to read the terminal. I'm pretty sure. Okay, what did we do here? We just added the menu to the prototype level. Sparkles and pause menu. Well, add a way of exiting the prototype level. Sure. Aha. Yeah, that feels correct to do. Okay, so going back to the Trello. We've completed all of the SFX that we needed to add. Now we need to add soundtrack to the menu. Oh, it's already done. Okay, forgot to check it, I guess. End level animation for something like that. Okay, begin level animation or something like that. End game cutscene or something like that. And death sequence like died. Go to menu, open a pop-up saying you died. Do we need to tell the player that you died? Yeah, not really, but also I think we could. I think we could benefit from, like, if you die, we could show the player like a message saying, hey, you exploded. If you don't move, you die. You explode. Move or explode. Death sequence. But at the same time, maybe we don't need it. Maybe it's fine that we just like go straight back into the play. Death sequence, right? I think I feel like I need to test this game with more people to see how they really understand the feature of like moving or dying or exploding. Yeah, because move or die is another game. We don't want to get copyrighted. I hope they don't copyright us. Okay, I think it's important that we have like a quote unquote death sequence. how do we do this? Do we do this on the player? Do we do this on like a separate level? Not a level, but like a scene? To just have. So, is it the start? Is it the ads, or can I curse? Oh, I can curse in a minute. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not sweating or anything like that. No way. Okay, this is the pause menu. The pause menu is not really doing it. Well, there's nothing wrong with the pause menu, but I think we need to add a new one. Okay, yeah, let's do this. So new folder, let's call it the menu def. Okay, maybe we copy the pause menu. Maybe we don't need it. Maybe we don't need it. Let's just create a new scene. Menu def. Menu def. Ah, fuck you! I can curse whatever you want. Layer. Canvas layer. Oh, I will see you on the other side of the ad abyss. The ad void. Dev menu def. Yeah, sure. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we add is a panel. The panel needs to occupy the whole screen. The panel needs to be the variation of a backdrop panel. Also, we want to have a center child thingy here, probably. Also, taking place on the whole canvas. I love this song, man. I love this song. Inside of the center container, we need to go with a panel container. Inside of the panel container, we need to add a HBox. Well, not an HBox, but a VBox container. Yeah. Inside of the VBox container, we need to add a label. The label will be written as "You die." Ooh. You died, actually. What's the message from... Not this. What's the message from Dark Souls? Dark Souls... Death... Message. Yeah, adding the death sound would be awesome, actually. So, you died. You died. You did. You died. Also, let's add another VBox container. Adding the team overrides here, like Tradify, RIP. Yeah, RIP indeed. And in here, I think it's fine. Like we need to add the actions here. First action here should be like the button for restarting it. Yeah, restart. And also center this, probably adding a margin container here should do the trick. Okay, we added a margin. Let's add 8 pixels of margin, because it feels good. And also 32 is way too much. 16 is probably good enough. And also the main panel here, probably not that good. Let's try the bolted. The bolted is nice. Yeah, the bolted is nice. Restart. You died. Yeah, I think this is fine. Let's add another label, probably. And inside of this label, we'll write, if you don't move. Well, this one needs to be aligned to the end. Well, center is fine. Begin is fine. If you don't move, you die. You reap. You rest in peace. If you don't move, let's just Right, is move or explode. That's the tagline. I don't know how I feel about this color of font. You know what? Let's copy the color the color of the code. I mean the color of the font for the button. Probably good enough. Let's add a new variation here for label. I don't know, body label? Body. Text label? Probably body is fine. Body label, sure. Add it as a base of the label. And inside of here, we can change the color, right? Right? Surely we can, right? Ooh, here it is. Here it is, the font color. Okay. Okay, so inside of this, we can change the theme, the version of the label. Ooh, what's this? Header large. Oh, look at these. Did I edit them? Or was it? I think it was probably Payme, right? It was probably Payme. Okay. I'm not digging it. I think this is ugly. Look at this. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, sure. Let's go for this. And also, let's add another button here for. Ooh, not this. Another button here for main menu. Main menu. Actually, let's do these. Heading here. Let's toggle the expand. Aha. So every button has the same size, but we could like just keep going in the text. We can move or explode. I really want to add the sounds for the the Dark Souls, but let's not. Definitely can't do it. So let's just call this restart button and this one main menu button. So you need to add also the scripting here. This script. I would rather. Sure. Where's the script that I need to use? Stage manager here. Button scene changer. That's what we want to have. Is it? I thought it was. How did I do the restart one? I guess I didn't. Huh. Okay, I guess I just manually coded it. Sure, fine. Not like I wanted to do it anyway. Let's add another script in here. But these will just add in here. Okay, so button panel height, restart button. Sure, it's fine. This is fine. We're fine. This should be the base button. We are going to inherit from base button. Not going to use any template. This is fine. Yeah, sure. Let's go. So func trest. What was inside of the pause layer again? Menu pause. Oh, we need to unpause it. Yeah, this feels like the correct option. Okay, we got the restart button working. But this one really should be the scene changer one. Where is it? Where is it? Stage manager, button, scene changer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this. Instead of choose scene, we need to go back to the start. Yeah, that's fine. Right? Pretty sure. Pretty sure. So these we added to the base level, I guess. Sure. Oh, this is not the way. Oh, this is also not the way. That's the way. Uh-huh. So how do we go about implementing this? I guess the first thing we need to do is to make sure that once the menu def is inside of the scene, we we hide it because we only want to show it in a specific time, you know, that is when the player dies. Let's add another function here to display, right? I think. Actually, I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Also, this. I need to add two components here. One component is make parent controller focus here, focus start, and make parent and span. I hope this works. Those two components make two very interesting stuff. So the anti-spawn disables the button for like the first second, 1.5 seconds, and then it enables it again. Why is that? Is to prevent like when you're just like clicking and pressing buttons and the UI just pops up into your face, you don't like accidentally just click on the first button it's focused on, or you just happen to click inside of the you know inside of the area of the button on the screen. So you get the chance to see the UI before, you know. Yeah, that's the idea. Let's also have the cooldown time, sure. Say it's float and set it to 1.5, just because I want to see it here. Yeah, and the controller's focus start just detects that if it has a joypad controller connected, it will just like autofocus on the button, you know, because it helps, I guess. I feel like it helps. Sure. Because no, it definitely helps. Sure. So we got ourselves happening, I guess. I guess we don't need to. I guess we don't need to pause the game, because I'm pretty sure the Joe exploding animation already pauses the game. But you know, can't be too sure, right? Pause equals true. It shouldn't hurt. It shouldn't hurt. Menu def. No. Goddamn. At least it wasn't. It was just one line. It's fine. True? Pause true? Yeah, I think it is. Okay. Well, actually, this should probably be better. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Okay. So I guess this is fine. So let's go for the level base. And inside of the level base, we need to get the... Ooh. Let's get inside of the player scene. Let's add in here a new signal here. Signal. Player dead. Okay. Player died. Sure, it's fine. Where can I detect that a Joe has exploded? I wonder. I think it's best that the Joe reports back to, you know? Yeah. Do we edit dynamically? Oh yeah, here we go. On Joe died. Where is it? On Joe died. Oh, here it is. So it's finished. Ooh, that's the thing. Yeah, it's finished. Yeah, no, I understand. So in here we're going to emit the global player died. Emit. Emit. Jumping on la. I guess this is fine. This is polish, you know. It's polish. Everything's fine. I'm fine. We're fine. So, ooh, what's? Oh yeah. Sorry. My bad. It was my bad. Let's have display, I guess. And also show. Menu def display. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, so inside the player, we don't do anything, I think. And inside of the level base, we go inside of the player and we try to connect. Oh yeah, I think it is possible. Let's see. Let's pick the method. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. It's this one. Okay, so pick, ready. Oh no, it's not this. It's inside of the menu def. Pick the display. Yeah. Okay, so let's test this. Not touch counting, baby. Okay, we're going. Let's die. Well, let's die faster. Exploded. I don't like that the sound stops. So let's just mark the sound as process mode always. There are a few things that I feel like it's not interesting. Let's die faster. Oh, it exploded. Bull. What happened with the... What? Oh, we don't have like a style for the disabled button. Ugh, this hurts. This hurts a lot. And the button didn't got shown, I guess. Also, these should be when paused, I guess. I think. Yeah, sure. This feels fine. So let's die fast. Fast. Who died? Blank. Huh. What is this? Make parent span. Is visible on the tree, but it isn't. What's your problem? Goodbye. それじゃ僕に僕君を何仲間は変われない。パラパラララララ。パラバンバンバン。Oh, this is bad, I think. Like, because actually the test should be... Let's try this. Funk ready. Oh man, that's not how you do it. Var parent be equal to node, I think. And parent will be equal to get parent. Get parent, and in here, parent that is not visible on tree and is not disabled. Then it gets disabled. Elif it is in fact visible on the tree and it is disabled. I mean, not get parent. Oh my man. Oh man. Parent. The guy that shot it on a center is visible. We'll get this. Ooh, we should have. Yeah, is visible. Parent dot is visible. Oh god, is what? Oh, we can't have a node. Maybe 2D? No, maybe control. Yeah, control better. Not code edit, but control. Control. Okay. So parent is visible in tree. Then you're well, actually, this will only like make it like flicker back and forth, right? Let's mark it as is done, which is a boolean that it sets a false, and once we once we do detect that the thing becomes visible, yeah, and is done, and is not done, and not is done. And is done is set to true, right? No, I think it's fine. I think we don't need this. I'm just overly cautious, I guess, for no particular reason. Maybe this works. Let's try, I guess. Let's like quick. Quick. Loaded. Died. Well, you know what? This is not working as I wanted it to, but at the same time, do I care? I don't think I care because we already like wait a fair amount of time just for the animation to finish, so I guess it's fine. Or something like that. I kind of love this. Low-key love this song. It's from like a good anime that I really liked back in the day, like in the child days. Damn, those are the good times. Yeah, yeah, sure, this is fine. Yeah, 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 yeah. I guess it's fine. Let's go. Let's commit it. No, I don't want to open game. No. Okay. What did we change? We changed a bunch of stuff. It's fine though. Let's commit it all under the same sparkle. Well, user experience. Add feedback when dying to as to moving as to not moving and exploding. Exploring, not exploring, exploding. What's my problem? Exploding. Huh. Okay, so we push it. What else? What else? Okay, going back in here. That's one more thing we check out. Ooh, there's a speed running timer, right? Yeah, that's something I really want to add. Add a button to show all of the Joes. This is kind of a good thing, I think. I think this is a good one to add. But at the moment, I'm interested in fixing the level 2. The level 2 is kind of meh, you know? It's kind of meh. Also, let's open level base here and just hide those 2 layers. Let's inherit this, and in here we go for the always, or when pause actually. Bokuwa. Ooh, I understand. Actually, I think we want to have it on always. Yeah, let's. No, no, it's fine. First of all, it's fine. Second of all, let's just set this to on pause. I don't really care. Prototype gets quicked. Also, let's check this in here real quick. Let's, you know. That's what we wanted to do all along. Test the dream, okay? Test the dream. Okay, so let's fix this. Let's fix this one. So there's 2 things I want to do. First one. How do we do this? Cha 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 cha. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. I don't understand this. Like, this is kind of funny. Do I want this? Oh, I want it. Ooh, I don't think we want this. Oh, again, goddamn. Okay. Well, if we do want this, I personally don't want this, so let's just, you know, I was the one who did this level anyway, so I think it's fine, I guess, I hope. I think this is too long. Where's the player here? Yeah, let's hide those 2. Oh, actually, let's hide the layer. And when ready, let's get the canvas and set the visibility of it to, well, let's just call it show. Less keys stroke, I guess. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Well, I don't really want to see this. Come on, go away, go away. Player. What happened? Okay, let's close it and open it again. Level 2. Oh, we got ads going in a second. So player. Okay. So let's if engine.is editor hint. If not editor hint. Yeah, that's the gist of it. Ah, so that's what we want to see. Ah, yeah. Ugh, God damn. Okay, this is fine. My chair didn't want to cooperate, okay? But it's fine now. Can I do like a copy paste? Ah. Speaker to eraser to can I? No, I can just. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. This is going to be a bit sad actually. You see that open machine could I? By the way, Scuffy, I don't know if you are already here. I mean, still in here. Let me just plug this in here for you. Auto HUD, switch overlay. Edit tool. What is this? The ooh, what is the? Oh, it's marshmallow. Okay. So the password is marshmallow. Yeah, I should have seen that coming. And the what? No, it's fine. It's fine. And in here, take it.
Link.
It's fine if you use it. Just please give me credit. I love credits. Okay. And keep it updated. Yeah, keep it updated. I do recommend you keep it updated. It's not edit tool, it's edit theme. I can't stand this. What's wrong with this? Like, goddamn. This should be like E. This one should be. I mean, this one I think it should be like 2. And this one should be 3. Or invert. Probably not. This is fine. I think this is fine. Yeah. Okay, what were we doing again? Oh yeah, making this shorter, I guess. Well, instead of doing it shorter, this is this is kind of cruel, I guess. Maybe these. Yeah. Oh no, that's. Yeah, I think that's the goal. Okay. This should kind of force you to pay more attention to the little guy. What's the problem with this? Oh, I forgot the two dots. God yeah. Oh, it was not this one. Let's try menu, choose level 2. Okay. So we check this. This opens this. Oh, let's go. Okay, so there we go. Then we enter. And then we go to the other side. Oh man. You know what? Still kinda easy. Still kinda easy. But I guess I should actually make it more like easier instead of left, yeah, instead of, you know, harder. Just because think about it, you know, think about it. Sakura Kara. Yeah, I guess this is fine actually. I just no, this is not fine. I need to change something in here. Either do a door in here to just drop the player in here, or I change the doors around. I think I would change the doors around. Look at this. Oh man, that's the wrong thing that I wanted to do. Okay, so this lever open door 1. This is the door 1. I need to switch the both little buttons. Button 1, button 2. Okay, so this opens the door 1. Let's swap this with the door 2. Okay, I think that's what I want to have. Yeah, let's test it. Let's test it. Okay, so we opened door on the far side, and we got like the full view of the whole level, I guess. And then we got the new Joel, and then maybe we did notice that there is another button in here. Oh my god. Okay, let's what? Oh yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. Sorry. I think this is good. I think this is good. I'm fine with it. It's better than it was before. Pretty sure. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm not. Let's do something here real quick. Look at this. Ooh, conveyor left. Yeah, I think this is better. I think this is better. Okay, how do we do this? Just add it all and commit it. Sparkles, change level 2 to be more user friendly. Well, that was to be better. Make adjust level design of level 2. Sure. Yeah, this is fine. I feel fine. We're fine. We're all fine. Ooh, remember something also. Art, storytelling system. We need bugs. Feedback. Just before exploding, we should return the focus to the Joe that will be exploding. For the player to see who is exploding. This is already done. What should happen after the Joe explodes? This is already done. Maybe add a countdown before beginning drain life from Joe's. Maybe, but also no. Let's just archive this one. Where is this bug? Wow, what what are those bugs here? When opening options menu on controller, transfer focus. Oh, this is done. I didn't expect that I was going to be able to do this, but I did it fairly easy. I mean, oh, and anyway, the highlight, oh, oh. The highlight of the door needs to also be present. Oh yeah. Let's adjust the door. The highlight of the door is mother freaking ugly. The door up. Okay, so we have the glow. Let's redo this a bit. Sure. Sure, let's have this right as this. Oh, we didn't want to do this. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. You know what? One. Yeah, let's select the pixel batters, better pixels. Let's select better pixels. なんとビビよく前は君の中腕を上についてるメロディー Raspberry hey. Also the visibility of the layer, I mean not the visibility but the ordering should be like in the back. What is the tile set? What's the ordering of the tile set? I don't know. So level base, yeah, sure, it's fine here, but here we got minus 100. Okay, what about the background? The background is minus 1,000. Okay, so this little guy in here will be minus 110. Minus 110. Yeah, sure, fine. Feels fine. Oh, look at this! I got a little thing here to edit the polygon. This is fun. Didn't knew this existed, I guess. Cool. Not using it right now, actually, at least. So level 2, let's test this. Can't even see it. Yeah, I think it's fine. But also, I need to make the mother freaking door glow. And how do we do this? Can I just make the sprite glow? Like the modulate to like. Ooh, this looks very ugly. It was not really what I was expecting. I think that it's better if I do something like this. Canvas material, sure. Oh no, it's not canvas material. It's just a regular material. New shader material, and then we can use the pose. Hey, Cario! I guess. Okay, so pose. What pose? Posing what? Posing, posing yellow, yeah. And one, I guess. Right? Was it not one? What are the modes again? Yeah. Oh, you got no. It needs to do this. No, that's very wrong. Do you do like a description? No. Well, I guess this is fine. Aha. Psycho speed. Like 2. Like 3. Like 4. Oh, it's the full pulse, right? Yeah, it is. It is. Okay, so 1. No, not 1. 2. Maybe this is fine, right? This is maybe fine. This is probably fine. Alpha limit? What does the alpha limit actually do again? Alpha color limit apply to the shine. For example, you won't apply the shine to semi-transparent pixels. Oh, this is interesting. This is interesting. But also, I need to copy this color. This color is the color, and these is going here. Okay. Aha! It's a golden door. It's a golden motherfucking door. If I do this, well, I guess nothing happens. Okay, so this is kind of working. So let's disable this for now and look into the glow here. Oh, you're modulating stuff. Okay. What if? What if I just copy this? Copy. What is the copy? Here's the copy. And paste here in here. Paste. And also, well, turn you on. let it turn you on. Is it glowing? Who knows? Probably it is. It's probably glowing. If I do like, ooh, it's in black. Yeah, black. It's not good. Like full transparent. Okay, and then we go like this. Maybe not full transparent. I thought I understood the alpha limit one. It's 0. It's still blinking. It's just not very interesting, I guess. Okay. Okay, how do I modify this post shader thing to also apply to like the whole texture instead of just this thing here? Where is this even being used in? Oh, I guess it does multiply it, so I think, yeah. Together more. no, it's fine. How can I do this? Mix RGB. Shine color alpha. Okay. Let's do another uniform bowl here. Well, I don't know about that actually. The alpha limit should be working, I guess, as I understand. Check if the alpha of the current pixel is higher or equal to the limit. So if it's set to 0, the thing should be working, you know? Should be working. Well, I guess it is working, right? But the problem is that yeah, I guess we do need the yeah. Yeah, I guess we do need a new variable. Let's add a new variable here. Instead of full cycle, let's like fill fill entire canvas, I guess. Files only apply to, I don't know. Only apply to like inherit alpha from original pixel. True overrides alpha with 1, I guess. I think that's what we want to do. That's what I want to do. And I want to do it here. So if... What's the name of it again? View entire canvas. If view entire canvas, I want to set the color.a to be equal to 1. What's your problem? Oh, 1.0, sorry. What's your problem? No, I don't understand. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm beginning to getting too used to the... Huh. This is kind of sus. What's happening? Why did I break everything? How did I break everything? No. Shouldn't it be posting right now? Oh, I guess not. If I do this, nothing happens. Okay, cool. You gotta love it. Oh damn it. Okay, one thing. Glow, I think. Reset and save. Fuck you. Okay? You're just messing my life. And you too. Fuck you again. Fuck you also, me. So that's the glow. You reset. Okay, it's... Oh, yeah, okay. So it is working. I guess, but that's kind of kind of wrong, I guess. Like instead of doing this, let's try another approach. Okay, so let's try a RGB here. RGB. Does this even work? I guess it does. Okay, so RGB vec3 will be 0.0. Well, does this work? I guess it does, right? Oh, I need semicolon. Okay, so vec4 and color. Okay, one actually. Sorry. Okay, I guess I don't understand this. Ba ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba da ba 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 da ba da 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 ba 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 da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da. Okay, way better. Um, can I just do a return here? Like an early return? Using returning fragment processor's function is incorrect. How do I... Well, I guess I can just like comment this. Or just do this. Sure, this works. Okay, so... Let's just go back to mode, I guess. Shader, I guess. Shader... GD... Todo shader... Deal? What even am I doing? What's my problem? Oh no, my problem is fine. Sorry, I need to do something like this. Yeah, I'm a little dumb, right? No, or alpha equals 1. Hmm. Para 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 para. Can I post transparency? I don't think I can. I don't think I can. if I do like fully transparent, and instead of doing these, I do like these, and do like this. Yeah, fully transparent thing doesn't really work because I'm not like, you know, yeah. Hey, ads will be going in a second. Be aware. Let's add another mode actually instead of doing this. Mode 3 equals to pose base transparency, I guess, or something like that. Anyway, so we need an so I add a new one here, which will just be like pose transparent. Pose transparent. This one will be 3. Beep 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 beep. Let's just go for pose transparency. And how will we do this? I think we will just have to do something like this. Look at this. Look at this. Like it's kinda working. It's kind of working. Sure. I think this is good enough. So the glow player actually needs to, well, this needs to be like deleted. Tiny shot of diamonds. What? Oh. She didn't have copied it, I guess. What was the color again? Oh no. Okay. This is the color. Cycle speed. This is 2. No, this is 1. And also instead of these, is like these, I guess. This is. I feel like this is too strong. Let's try a little less. Yeah, it's probably fine. Okay. So we got those two. We need to change these from the glow to modulate. Like fuck the modulation. Yeah, let's delete this. But this needs to be 0. This one also needs to be 0. Oh, it is. Oh man, I thought I had clicked this as to be unique, but I guess I clicked on here instead of in here. That sucks again. That sucks a lot, so goddamn. So this is 4, 3 actually. $200. Let's go for 200. Sure, feels alright, I guess. This is fine. But what the fuck is a motherfucking problem, my man? God damn it. Make it all motherfucking recursive. What? Okay, so it's also local to scene. This one should also be probably local to scene. So this is a door, and the door should be at 2, and at, what's the color again? This is the color, and the modulation should be 200. Okay, and the glow. Okay, it's fine now. Now we got those two. We got those two untangled, as they should have been from the start. Okay, I guess this is fine. Yeah, I guess this is fine. Okay, so glowing. When we start glowing, when we should start glowing, we want, well, we want to change this. Sure. And then here we need to set it back to 1. No, we need to set it back to 0 actually. Yeah. Now wait, what? What do you mean use parent material? What the so when it's supposed to finish, that's when we want to change it to 0. But when we want it to be activated, we want it to be set to 2. So that's what we do. Okay, that's fine. But also we need to probably make this. This probably doesn't. No, it's fine. We do need it. So we need to make this visible and afterwards make it invisible. Yeah, I think that's what we do. Let's test it. New door highlight. Oh, let's make this a little bit bigger. Or a lot bigger. This is very so ugly. Look at this. Oh, this is ugly. You know what? Where is Joe? Joe. Do life drain. Cancel the life. Do life drain. Let's turn off the song because reasons. Let's look at the door. Tiger. Okay, so the glow player here. I think the glow should glow either way. Like whenever the door happens, I guess that's when we do it. But also, where is the 2D version of the thing here? Okay, so glow, then we start. Why is it not happening? Why is nothing happening? Why is just Probably I chose the wrong number. Where's the glow player? Glow player. Shader material. It's not 2, it's 1. Yeah. Right? It is. Look at this. That's what we like to see. Let's start it. Well, closing is fine, but opening is kind of shitty. Let's also make the sprite like 200. 200 is like very on your face. Probably like very little actually. Like 60 probably feels good. Feels good, man. Ba 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 da ba. Ba ba. Don't know why I clicked there, but might as well. Okay. Okay, 60 didn't even register. Probably like 100. 100 seems fine. But the glow is still not that good. Like I don't feel like it should be glowing in this area, you know? Maybe this will feel better? Who knows? I certainly don't. Yeah, this is bad also. This is very bad. Okay, so let's try here. Maybe like 1 pixel to the left or 2 pixels to the left. Let's try 2 pixels for the left. Maybe this feels better. This feels a little bit better. Yeah, I guess it's way better than it was before. So that's the commit for today. Sure, let's commit it as a feature. Make dark glow more pleasing, because otherwise, goddamn, it was very ugly. Okay, where is it? Make dark highlight. Okay, so there is also a bug. Let's file it as a feedback. So the small buttons should only be triggered by specific JAWS. Okay. So that's what we are going to do the next time we are going to work on Joy Adventure. But for now, we are just going to finish. We're going to finish. Who are we going to raid? What is this? Gumpla. I mean, am I going to raid? How many viewers we have? I have 1 viewer. We're not going to raid anyone. I find it, I don't know, feels like not really. Anyway, we'll be finishing for today. So until next time, probably very probably on Monday. Same URL, same channel, same hour, same time. Yeah, same time. Anyway, see you around. Thanks for having me here. Let's finish this. Bye bye.